So we are designing our second assignment, FreeCAD. Just setting my Cartesian plane to the desired platform. So I'll still use the XY axis. Then I'll try as much as possible to work on the positive side of the Cartesian plane. So we start by making a random sketch. Then we have our arc. Where is the? Yeah, now we can join the parts to ensure that our object is solid. So this should be 80. I think 120 as per the dimensions given. Then you can join that. Then we say this one and this one should be orthogonal to each other. We join this one and this one. And we can say that this one and this one should be equal. This one and this one should be orthogonal to each other. And now we can insert other dimensions. So like this one should be, that's 20 plus 20. I think it should be 40. This should be 40. And it should be equal to this one. And now we join this part and this part. This one should be orthogonal to this one. And this side should be 10, I think. 10. The radius for the outer circle, this radius should be 20. This should be 20. And this one and this one, this height should be equal. Meaning if I insert for one height, should reflect on the other side. The height is 20. And now we are good. Then we have the inner circle. Inner circle is diameter 20. So we can do the diameter 20 or radius 10. Let me do radius 10. And I bring it to the, yeah, that. Now this is our first face sketch. We can now save and pad. So the thickness of the pad is 40. Yeah, exactly. Now we have our object. And we start by, sorry. We start by introducing these holes. So we will click on the interface where we want to extract, then we click on the create a data plane icon. Okay. Then we are here. So from here, we have two circles. We can draw them. And each circle is of, let me check on the radius. Diameter is, each circle is got diameter of 10, of 20. So our radius is 10. So I'll just do 10 radius each. And here also should be 10. You can do 10 or 20. 10 for radius, 20 for diameter. And each should fall inside these faces. So the next point is ensuring that they are exactly placed, they are placed at the exact points. So I would say from here to here should be 20. 20. Then from here to here should also be 20. No, sorry, since I've already been introduced to the negative side of the Cartesian plane, then from here to here will be negative 20. We can do negative 20. Then we have this one. The whole object's length is, we start with this one. From here to here is 20. Then from here to here is 20, while the whole object length is 120, meaning from here to here should be 100 exactly. Negative 100 because I introduced my object the negative side of the Cartesian plane. So we are set. From this point, we can now close, update, close, and pocket. So our pocketing size is 10. Since the thickness of the base is 10, and there we go. And we delete the data plane. Now we can file it. So we start by filing this section, which should make a file. It should make a curve of an arc of radius, I think 20. This section too, I think we can close that. Then we come to this section. So we can file that one. To 20. Then we also file that one. We also make it Then we come to the other side. We file it. And again, we file this one. And here's our object. I think we've done everything. And we can save it. Let me save it to the desktop. Save. Let me call it. Let me introduce a folder. Then I call it A4. And I call it 4A. After saving, you can click everything to be green, then you export, save as STL file. And submit your assignment. That's all.